I'm just sharing one. So this is going to be one table. I'm presenting it to you. The sales data. I'll give you a very simple question. There is a specific date here. Okay, just let an example. This particular date is here 11/11/2014. Now one person is saying, can you please let me know how much sales generated over this date? There can be two questions. A person can ask you total sales and a person can ask you total orders. Correct? Total sales means, just take an
Correct.
example. If I filter for this specific date, if I'm typing here 11/11/2014. So 2014 November 11. For this date I am saying. So total sales, how I will able to find out total sales? I need to select the sales column and at the bottom I will get that information. 2997050. Correct. That becomes total sale. Which means here we need to use a formula that is called sum ifs. But once they are saying total orders means how many times it is occurring here. Na? Suppose this is my date. So over this date around 67 orders placed.
Right.
Okay, so it means we need to count that frequency. So here how we will do, I'll give you a difference. First of all, for sum ifs, I need to
So,
go,
ma'am,
yeah.
sorry. So here already we can do it in other way, like filtering and getting. This
So
okay.
that way also we
Then why we
can do,
need to
Yusuf.
use formula?
No, that way also you can do, but suppose if you want a dynamic thing, just take an example. This is as of now, it is 11/11/2014. But anytime a person come and they can say that, okay, give me this time 23rd of May 2013. So you will not be able to filter again and again and then see, na? You need instant answer, right?
Okay, couple of things. Yeah, right,
Ha.
right.
So suppose if I am building both the formulas for sum ifs, I will select my sales column first, then I will select my date column and I'll put comma and I will select my date. This is sum ifs only. One is that total sales column, second one is date column and then this particular date. 1 minute, what's the issue? Okay, 1 minute. I need to change this. Which column it is? It is D column. So I'll type here D column. Okay. This is total sales. Once we say total order, so I will use my formula that is called COUNTIFs. You can use COUNTIF also and COUNTIFs also. You need to go to sales data. You will select your order date column, put comma, and then select your this particular date. So 67 orders we have. Over the 67 orders, we have a value of around this. Okay. Anytime if you type here
Ma'am, what
when,
you have selected?
I'll tell you one more time. In the sum ifs, we have three things. Sum range, okay, criteria range,
Okay.
and criteria. And here only we have two things. One is criteria range, second one is criteria. Okay, only these two things we have. Now, what is that sum
Yeah.
range? Sum range means a numerical column. So you can see na in this question, total sales is your numerical column, right? Here in the sales data, if you
Right.
go, sales is your numerical column, right? That's why, first of all, we have selected our sales column only. Yeah, Yusuf?
Okay. Yeah, clear. Only two
Then
we have selected. One is sales column and one is this date.
date column, criteria range. Why date column? Because my condition is date, na? Right? So we need to
Clear,
select
clear, ma'am.
column that contain condition. Clear?
Clear, ma'am. Yeah.
So this is condition. Do you want to try this one? I can give you one condition for this, na? If you are connected with
No,
laptop.
actually, I joined with mobile. Yeah, just
Okay,
I
no
woke up,
issues. Then
so
you
took
can
it.
later on you can try this. But is this clear? The difference between sum ifs and
Yeah,
countifs?
very clear.
Huh, okay. Now
Yes.
let's start about this lookup function that you told me. Okay.
Ma'am, one more thing.
Huh,
Sorry.
yes. Huh.
So this usually we will use for this purpose only. There will be no major function of this. Can
No,
you give me any
countifs
other
will be used
example?
for this particular case only.
So it's very simple, to be
Yes,
honest.
it is.
Can you give me one more example, ma'am, or just to understand particular dates based on our criteria? That's
No,
it,
no,
ma'am.
it's not about date. Just take an example. I'm
Not
saying,
date.
huh,
Yeah.
huh. I just take an example. Now I'm saying I have multiple brands. Okay. So suppose I just want to calculate for HP how many orders placed. Do you understand my point?
Yes,
Question
ma'am.
is
Got it. Just
basically
selection
orders.
of the columns will be
Huh.
changed.
Right.
Yeah.
So we will use countifs because orders we are seeing or frequency we are seeing. We will select our B column because in that B column only we have
Brands.
HP and we press enter. 7474.
Okay. First, okay, clear. Orders and brands. That's
Huh.
it. Yeah.
See, this
Clear,
can
ma'am.
be this
Hmm.
statements. Number of entries, number of orders, frequency. These
Suppose if we
huh.
need three,
What
so we
three
will
need?
select three columns.
No, no, what three you are
Example,
saying? Hmm.
example, you have given one date column, first example, then
Hmm.
one sellout.
Hmm.
Okay, then I want to add like brands, which brands sold in that particular date.
So
So
you
I
are
will put
saying
comma and I will
over
add,
this
yeah.
23rd of May, how many orders placed for HP only? This is the question.
No, like first example, total sales on example, let's say 23rd, what is the total sale?
This is the total sale.
Okay,
Hmm.
okay, plus how many orders?
So this is the
Like you
orders, na?
mentioned 15,
Huh.
15, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Plus which brands? Can I use these three criteria in one formula?
So see,
I want
we
to
can.
extend the criteria.
That I understand. So for which brands, na, just take an example. I can do in this method. You are saying, okay, over this 23rd of May, we are getting this much sales, correct? But this is the
Right.
total sales over this particular date. So I need to have for different brands. Just take an example. I'll just copy this one. I'll remove.
Not like brands only, ma'am,
Huh.
particularly. Anything if we have three criteria as example. So in that case also we will choose comma and one more column. This is my question. Or only two
That way you
criteria
can
we can
do.
do.
That way you can do. Suppose for HP only I'm considering as of now. Okay. So because I need
Okay.
to include HP, I will remove that bracket. I'll put comma. And here in the sales data, I'll select this
B
B
column we
column.
will select.
And you can type also
Right.
HP or
This
you can
this was
select
for that.
HP. See, this is for HP.
Clear.
Here also, same thing you will do. Just you need to add on the columns and give that condition. Simple. So 9 orders for HP.
Exactly, ma'am. Okay. So there is no limit of giving orders like only
No, there
two
is
or
no
like
limit
that. This
about
is
the
my question.
conditions.
Just adding comma and selecting the requirement. That's it.
Right, right. That is the thing.
Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
Yeah.
you. Now it's yeah.
Okay. Then we can proceed for lookup also.
Yes, ma'am, you have explained VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP also I'm doing. But what is HLOOKUP, ma'am?
H lookup you
Never
are saying?
used to it. Yeah, HLOOKUP they
Ah,
asked.
I'll.
I know it's horizontal, but
Ah,
it's I'm
it.
not familiar. Actually, VLOOKUP, which you thought it is very clear,
Ah,
and XLOOKUP also you have shown that is also
ah,
very clear. Surprisingly, they asked me HLOOKUP, but
ah.
how?
So that
Is
is
it useful, ma'am,
similar
really?
only. That is similar to VLOOKUP only. There is no difference. See, I'll just create a horizontal table here. That you understand that HLOOKUP we use for a horizontal table only, right?
Yes, ma'am. But is it really required HLOOKUP? Because I never used to it. Like I'm using VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP only.
See what happened na in professional world we always create a vertical table because vertical table is manageable a lot. We can create pivot tables, we
Yes.
can create formulas, but for this horizontal table we are not able to create correct formulas and we are not able to create pivot tables. Main reason pivot table is not supported with the horizontal table. That's why we never use HLOOKUP. That is the reason. But if
Okay.
there is any case
Yeah.
where you are using HLOOKUP, you can simply say it is same like VLOOKUP, only the placement of columns and rows is different. See, suppose I just want to calculate my name only. So equal HLOOKUP I will start. Now what will be the lookup value?
ID. Yeah.
That
That's
is
all.
80159. Put comma. What
Yes.
will be the table array?
From F2, this, right?
This one. From
F2.
employee code to this is the table array, no full table.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Now what will be the row number for name of the employee?
Yeah. B5.
No, for name of the employee I am saying because we need to calculate
Sorry.
name of the employee, na?
B11.
So see, now there is no need to calculate from this row number one. Our table is starting from fifth row, na? Right? So we need to
Yeah. Right.
count from fifth to this only. So which row it is there with you? Row number
7.
7. So I'll put 7, comma, and because I need an exact match, I'll put 0.
Okay. Here question.
Ha,
Can you double click formula, ma'am?
ha.
Or just click on
Okay.
it? F16. What is
F16
F16,
is this
ma'am?
one, 80159.
Why you're taking here? Because we are on the top. We are looking from that table.
No, this value we are, because I need to find out name of the employer for this code only, na? That's why I'm picking this one.
So it is our criteria.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Good. Yeah, same. Okay. Clear, ma'am. Clear. But it is not useful actually, right? Most for the time.
VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP is much better. And maybe I think here also now we can use XLOOKUP. Suppose this is my department, right? I need to calculate for
Okay.
XLOOKUP. Lookup value will be same only. And lookup array
Okay.
will be this row, row number 5, because this is only having code, na?
Okay.
And
Yeah.
return array will be department, 8 column. See, this is also giving you answer. So I don't
Yeah,
think
this is
after coming with this
simple.
X lookup, there is no need to go back to H lookup here. Better if for vertical also and horizontal also, you go forward with V.
XLOOKUP is perfect.
X lookup is much better.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, got you.
Okay. So I would
Ma'am,
say,
same. Can we
uh,
take one small example of VLOOKUP? Sorry, if you
huh.
have time.
So for VLOOKUP, na, I'll give you example here only. This is my sheet. Okay, let me go. Just let's go to Mumbai sheet. This is my vertical table. Okay. So for the
Okay.
vertical
Yeah.
table, we have this one. VLOOKUP formula we need to do here. So equal VLOOKUP we can do. Now what we have lookup
Yes.
value 557. Then we have a
Okay.
table array. That table array will be your full table from A column to M column. And what is the
Mm.
column number for department?
B.
Sorry,
B, right? Column.
for department I'm saying.
Yeah, department B. B1.
But in D column we
No.
have basic salary, na?
Okay.
I'm saying about the column number of department. So which is the department column
Okay.
in the
Okay.
table?
B only.
B only, na? So number will be 2.
Yeah, I was saying from B.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So I thought D1 you are saying. So it will be 2 only. 2 comma 0.
Sorry, ma'am. Two, how you selected two?
Because see, this is your department, na? Right.
Okay.
This is your department column and my table is starting from this column. So it is my second column of
Okay.
the table, na?
Ah, okay. We will count, right? Yes.
Ah.
Yeah.
Just let's try for this name of the employee. Equal VLOOKUP we can start. Lookup value is
Okay.
557, right? Table array will be from
Okay.
this to
Because
this.
it is unique. Okay. Table
Ah.
array will be total, right?
Right. And now what
Okay.
will be the column number for name of the employee?
C. One second. Three.
3. 3 comma
Yeah.
0. 0 is like universal. You need to put that 0 and we need
Okay.
to press enter.
Clear, ma'am. Clear.
Okay? Clear to you this both
Clear.
points?
Yes. Yes. Very
Hmm.
clear, ma'am.
Hmm.
Thank you so
So this
much.
like you can do practice over your files also. You can try some stuff and then if you find any query, then you can come back to me. Okay, Yusuf?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Yusuf.
So helpful. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.